sa ating lahat, mga kasama kong guro. Narito na naman tayo sa ating panibagong video sa araw na ito upang matulungan tayo para mas mapadali ang ating mga gawain, lalong-lalo na ngayon na sa panahon tayo ng ECQ at kakastart lang ng modified ECQ sa NCR at including the bubble areas. Okay, so since nasa ganito tayong stage, bawal ang face-to-face distribution and retrieval of modules. So, isa sa option natin is to post the soft copy of our learners. Okay, so paano kung si parents or yung stakeholders natin, they do not know how to download the soft copy. So, meron tayong remedy na ipapakita today. But, before we start our session for today, if you are just new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and as well as the notification bell down below so that you will get notified for my upcoming videos. Okay, you need to open your browser and then ayan. So, ito po ang kakailanganin nating link. So, https:// and then pdf2 jpg.net and then /. Okay, so kung na-encode nyo na po siya, enter nyo lang siya. Ayan. So, ito na po yung lalabas sa inyong browser. Alright. So, ang gagawin niya, yung file nating PDF, ayan, bakit natin i-convert yung file natin into PDF? Just because hindi lahat ng ating stakeholders ay may kakayahan na mag-download ng ating PDF file ng mga modules natin. So, pwede nating gawin is to convert our files into JPEG format para pagka-post natin sa FB group natin or sa page or sa ating messenger or any platform that we use in the distance learning para mas madali nilang mabasa yung ating mga na-share na mga SLMs. Now, make sure that you already downloaded the copy of your SLM. And then, ako kasi, para mas madali ko siyang makita, yung gusto kong file na i-convert, naka-paste na kaagad or nakalagay na kaagad siya sa desktop ko. So, I'll just click choose a PDF file. Ayan, so as you can see, eto na yung SLM ko. So, sa desktop. So, kung wala naman sa desktop, piliin nyo lang dito sa kabilang side na to kung saan nyo na i-save na memory or place ng inyong computer na save yung file ninyo. So, I'll just click this one and then click open. Ayan. So, as you can see, nandito na yung file name ng ating SLM. Alright? And then, all we have to do is to click convert PDF to JPEG. And then, may kita nyo yung blue. Ayan. Ayan. So, meron tayong dalawang option. So, as you can see, your document has been processed. You can download JPEG pictures or zip file. So, we have two options on how to download. Una is to download your file one by one. Alright? So, pwede rin natin munang i-view. If we click view, ayan. So, makikita natin yung result ng ating mga na-convert ng PDF to JPEG. Alright. Ayan. So, ayan na siya. Buong module mo na. Now, if you wish to download this one by one, just click this and then makikita mo dito sa lower part na to na successful yung pagka-download mo. Ayan. So, all we have to do is to download it one by one. Ayan. So, again, as you can see, we are connected to the internet if we wish to access this site and to download our files. And I hope meron naman tayong internet kasi kinokontak naman natin yung ating mga learners. Now, check natin. Let's open the file. Ayan. So, kapag kung nalalabuan ka kasi maliit siya, we can zoom it out. Right? So, once na i-zoom mo siya, as you can see, malinaw siya. Alright? So, So that's the first one step or one way on how to download the file. Next is that we can download it via zip file. So just click this one. Isang click lang siya. So downloaded na siya. Alright. So titingnan natin siya sa aking desktop kasi nakaprogram ang aking browser na ang lahat na ina-download ko ay diretso sa desktop ko. Alright, so as you can see, ito na yung ating zip file format. So we have to just right click it and then extract the files here and then yes to all. Ayan. So napalitan yung nauna nating dinownload na isa-isa. Okay? So kapag dinouble click mo, ayan na sila. Ayan na siya. Okay, you can just zoom it in and out. Okay. So tingin tayo ng ibang page. Ayan. So ganun lang siya. Nakapag-convert ka na ng file ng mabilisan. And then, you can post it right away. So, hindi mo na kailangang mag-screenshot sa cellphone and then post mo sa, sa iyong FB group. Okay? So, I hope may natutunan tayo sa ating video tutorial for today and sana makatulong to sa ating mga kasamang guro. Please feel free to share this to your colleagues para mas higit na marami tayong matulungan. So, bago natin tapusin ang araw na ito, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down below. And thank you for watching and I hope you keep safe and God bless us all. Thank you!